Wait, don't scroll. Seriously. Just stop right there for a second. You clicked on the right video. And this is not random at all. YouTube doesn't just push videos like this for no reason. It suggested this to you because, somewhere in your mind, you've been thinking about money, about leveling up, about changing your situation. Maybe you're tired of asking for money. Maybe you're tired of seeing other people win while you stay stuck. Or maybe you just know you're meant for more but you don't know the exact path yet. Whatever the reason is, this video is important for you. And I need you to understand something right now. Don't skip. Don't fast forward. Don't treat this like background noise. Just listen carefully. I'm not going to show you fake screenshots. I'm not going to flex rented cars or luxury houses. And I'm definitely not going to do any fake guru stuff. I'm only going to talk to you because the truth is, what you understand deeply stays in your mind longer than anything flashy you see for a few seconds. If you skip this video, you're not just skipping content, you're skipping clarity. And without clarity, people stay broke for years. So just listen, follow what I say, and think about it seriously. And one more thing, if you actually want to change your future and make money consistently every single week, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I put real effort into breaking this down in the simplest way possible. Also, comment your country below. I genuinely want to know where you're watching from. Now let's get into the real truth. First, let's break the biggest myth in your head. Making $1,000 a week online is not some impossible dream. It's not something only lucky people do. And it's definitely not reserved for geniuses. It's actually very simple when you break it down. $1,000 a week is roughly $140 a day. That's it. When you look at it like that, it already feels more achievable, right? The problem is, most people think they need one big breakthrough, one viral idea, or one perfect system to make that money. That's not how it works. People who consistently make money online either do one simple thing extremely well, or they combine multiple small income streams that add up over time. Once you understand that, your entire mindset shifts from chasing luck to building systems. Now, there are three main paths that are working right now, especially in the United States. And these are not theories. These are real methods people are using every single day. The first path is selling a service. The second is selling a product. And the third is building content and monetizing attention. You don't have to do all three at once, but you need to understand all of them so you can pick one and go all in. Let's start with the fastest one, because I know you want results quickly. Selling a service is the fastest way to start making money online, because you don't need money to begin. You don't need a big audience. You don't need a fancy setup, and you don't even need to be highly experienced. You just need to solve a simple problem for someone else. And when I say skill, don't overcomplicate it. Right now, people are making money doing basic things like editing short-form videos, designing YouTube thumbnails, managing social media pages, writing captions, replying to emails, or even using AI tools to create content for businesses. These are not high-level, complicated skills. These are simple tasks that save other people time. And time is something people are always willing to pay for. Think about it logically. A small business owner or a content creator doesn't want to do everything themselves. They don't have the time or energy. So if you can take even one small task off their plate, you become valuable. Let's say you charge $100 for a service. You only need 10 clients in a week to make $1,000. But here's the smarter way. Don't charge one-time fees. Turn your service into a monthly package. Charge $250 or $300 per month. Now you only need 4 clients to reach your goal. And if those clients stay with you, that becomes recurring income, which means you're not starting from zero every week. Now the question is, how do you find these clients? This is where most people get stuck. But the answer is simple if you stop overthinking. You don't wait for clients to come to you. You go where they already are. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube are full of potential clients. Look for small creators, startups, or local businesses that are active but not perfect. That's your opportunity. And when you message them, don't be boring. Don't say, "Hi, I offer services." Nobody cares about that. Instead, show them you've actually paid attention. Say something like, "Hey, I saw your content and noticed your thumbnails could be improved to get more clicks. I made a quick sample for you. Want me to send it?" That one message makes you stand out because you're offering value first instead of asking for money. Now let's move to the second path, which is selling a product. This can be digital or physical, but if you're starting from zero, digital products are the easiest. A digital product is something you create once and sell multiple times. This could be an ebook, a guide, a template, a planner, or even a collection of useful AI prompts. The biggest advantage here is that you don't have to deal with shipping, inventory, or ongoing costs. Let's say you create a product that sells for $20. To make $1,000 a week, you need 50 sales. That might sound like a lot, but on the internet, it's actually very realistic if you target the right audience. The secret to selling digital products is not creating something big or complicated. It's solving one specific problem clearly. People don't buy long products, they buy results. For example, a simple guide on how to create viral short videos can sell much better than a huge course that tries to teach everything. Once your product is ready, you create content around it. Short videos, posts, or threads that attract people who have that problem. Then you guide them to your product. That's how the system works. Now physical products like dropshipping or print on demand can also make money. But you need to understand that this space is more competitive now. You can't just pick a random product and expect it to sell. You need a niche, a clear problem, and strong marketing. For example, a product that helps fix posture for people who sit all day has a clear audience and a clear benefit. You create simple videos showing the problem and the solution, and that's what drives sales. But if you're just starting out, focus on services or digital products first, because they are easier to control. Now let's talk about the third path, which is content and monetization. This is the most powerful long-term strategy, but it requires patience. You build an audience on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. You don't need to show your face if you're not comfortable. You can use voiceovers, stock footage, or AI-generated visuals. What matters is consistency and value. Once you start getting attention, you can monetize it in multiple ways, including ad revenue, affiliate marketing, selling your own products, or brand deals. Let's break a simple example. Imagine you create content about making money online. In your description, you include affiliate links to tools or platforms. When someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. If 10 people sign up daily, and you earn $5 per sign up, that's $50 a day, which becomes $350 a week. Add some ad revenue, maybe $200 a week, and a small digital product making $300 a week, and now you've crossed $1,000 per week. That's how real people do it, not by relying on one method, but by stacking multiple streams. Now here's the truth that most people don't want to hear. None of this works if you quit too early. The biggest reason people fail is not because these methods don't work, but because they give up before results start showing. The first few weeks are not about earning. They are about learning, testing, and improving. You are building skills, understanding the market, and gaining confidence. Once you push through that phase, results start coming faster. So instead of chasing quick money, focus on consistency. Pick one path and stick to it. Improve a little every day. Learn from your mistakes. Adjust your approach. That's how you build something real. And once you start seeing even small results, your confidence grows and everything becomes easier. Let's make this practical. If you were starting today, your first week should look like this. Day 1 and 2, you choose your path. Day 3 and 4, you learn the basics and create your first offer or content. Day 5 to 7, you start reaching out to people or posting consistently. Then you repeat the process every week, improving each time. That's it. It's simple, but it works if you actually follow it. Now the biggest mindset shift you need is this. Stop asking how to make money and start asking how to provide value. Money is just a result. If you help someone get more customers, they will pay you. If you help someone save time, they will pay you. If you help solve a problem, they will pay you. It's that simple. And understand this clearly. The opportunity is real. People in the United States and all over the world are doing this every single day. The only difference is they started, they stayed consistent, and they didn't quit when things got uncomfortable. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin and keep going. So if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Don't let this just be another video you watched and forgot. Take action. Start small. Stay consistent and build momentum. Your first $100 will feel difficult. Your first $1,000 will feel possible. And after that, it starts becoming normal. Subscribe if you're serious about changing your future. And don't forget to comment your country below. I'll see you in the next one.